Hi everyone, my name is Edlin Noveca. I was born in October 3, 2009 and I live in Cabanatuan City, Calitid Sur, United Village, Purok 5. Let's talk about my favorite foods. My favorite foods is adobo and sinigang. I like vegetable except nilagang talong and broccoli. I like white and pink tulips. I love listening music. My hobbies is watching TikTok and K-drama. Let's talk about my three personality. I have three personalities. My three personalities are yapping too much, doesn't yap at all, yap to myself. I love who understand my weird personality. Mahilig ako mang-asar, pero pag ako yung inasar, kausapin mo na lang sarili mo. Hindi ako mahilig sa online games dahil pag naa-addict ako sa online games, nagpo-focus na lang ako sa online games. My favorite color is pink. As a soft-hearted person na may anger issue, once nagalit ako rin yung iiyak. I'm a sensitive person and I cry over the smallest things. I always and will forever be a girl who loves ice cream. When I'm sad and down, ice cream will fix it. Well, that's my life. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed it.